What does that mean?
I'm driving.
Ooh.
Okay guys, it's Kyle. We're going for a ride with Johnny in Ruby, the Model X. It's actually your Model X. So let's put seatbelts on and we'll do one lap of the track at moderate speed and you should be totally fine.
Yep.
So, foot on the brake to start it, and then we'll have to put in the code, which I'll hide. You can look at my face while we enter the code. Good. Into D. We'll need some air conditioning. And just drive it normally. I mean, it should be easier than a normal road because you won't have to deal with any other cars. Yeah, we can go like, I don't know, 30 miles an hour or so through here, I would say. It's totally up to you. We are on a racetrack and there is no one around. So drive at your desired speed. Is this the first time you've driven on the track?
So Kyle is in the passenger seat and Johnny is in the driver's seat. I really wanted Johnny to get a chance driving to say he drove a Tesla. Yeah. I feel sure he's up to it. Don felt sure he was, and I knew Big Brother Kyle would do an excellent job with him. Yeah. He's gonna have the bug now. I'm gonna be in trouble.
Right. Why do you drive a Tesla?
Yeah. Hey, Mr. Don, can I have the key fob?
Johnny is ripping around the track here. We're going around the tire shredder, doing a fantastic job. We are actually doing super smooth driving. We're going to aim for that little red dot and get pretty close to it, and that is our end of that corner. Perfect. So we're going to stay wide right over these skid marks, and then we're going to start turning in now. So turn, and we're going to aim for this red dot all the way over here. There you go. Get a little closer to it, a little closer. There you go. And then we're going to aim for those cones back on the left. It's just kind of following cone to cone to cone. Once we get to that second cone, you'll start turning in here. Aim for this red dot on the corner. Get in, get in, get in. And then put your foot down a little bit. We're going to pick up the pace. There you go. Whoa, that sun is bright.
So here comes Johnny through that S-curve. We told Kyle to take them as far as they felt comfortable. That could have been 50 feet or that could be a full lap. And you know what? I think they're going to make a full lap. Doing so good, Johnny.
There we go. So we're going to aim for this cone all the way here on the end. And then once we get to that cone, you're going to turn the wheel pretty hard to the right. There you go. Perfect. Now hang the inside line right here until we touch this red dot. So keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, and then aim all the way for track out. And now, if you would like to, you can just floor it if you are comfortable. There's nothing that will happen here. There we go. Awesome. And then you can start regenning now, and we'll pull into the pits. So you can lift off all together. Perfect. And then you can pull in right over to the left of the Smart. Nicely done, sir. That was awesome. And this is great.
I don't want to distract him, but he did make the full lap. I am so impressed. I hope his little smile is just as happy as it can be. That is so cool. Mom's smile is ear to ear. How'd that go?
Well, I think.
I thought it went great from my vantage point. So you go with that.
Now, buddy, I'm driving the I'll let you drive the fire truck back to the building. All right, well, let's do that. All right, cool. Yep. Thanks, Sam.
Dreams being made, one car at a time.
Well, you got to get this.
Johnny is at the wheel in the fire truck. Hopefully he doesn't see me. He doesn't want me to make him nervous. Mom's waving, Mom's smiling. Sam is doing a great job mentoring.
Fire engine truck boy.
How was it, Johnny?
It was different.
Is that your first diesel drive?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, way cool.